Last week, our sandhill crane neighbors, Eugene and Eureka, made their daily visit to our backyard. But this time, they brought along the two hatchlings. We named one Ellie and the other one Luna because of a larger patch of white under its wings. This week, I was able to observe them again as they made their daily visit. Sadly, though, one of the babies was missing. I recognized Ellie right away, but Luna wasn't with them. The marshy green belt behind our property is where birds like to nest. They have the added protection of water around their nest site to deter most land-based predators. Raccoons and coyotes are significant threats to eggs and young chicks. Foxes and bobcats also hunt them. However, predators from the air are another story. Great horned owls, eagles, and various hawk species like this red-shouldered hawk prey on young chicks. Ellie still has a lot to learn. Here, Eureka drops a piece of food for Ellie to eat. Last week, one of the parent birds snatched something out of Ellie's beak, probably something that wasn't meant to be eaten. It's amazing how much Ellie has grown within these 10 days. Here's a comparison from last week's visit. We are hopeful that with the parents' watchful care, this remarkable young bird will grow to maturity. If you enjoy watching Ellie's journey, please consider subscribing.